I'm ready. It's looking really good. Now I'll go ahead and put stuff here. What's going on, everybody? Second day of 2024, 5. And I gotta tell you, everybody, I am very excited for what's to come. What's up, fam? What's going on? I was looking at the price right now, and I was looking at the price it's doing a number. It was looking that it wants to break higher, and I don't want to be watching by myself. I know my community is here ready and able to do it. If you're new, happy to have you. Welcome. Any questions and comments, let us know in the chat right now. If you are part of the gang, if you're a subscriber, if you're a member, enjoy and relax, because we're going to have a time where we're going to continue being bullish, as you know, which is really nice. I'll go ahead and take a look at what's going on right now. I was looking at some updates and news, breaking news, everything. I'll go ahead and keep you updated. We're barely starting. How y'all doing? How we all doing? Just to remind you that we don't really need breaking news to happen right now to see a price of XRP do really well. The reason is that there's now more people interested in crypto because it's a new year and it's like a reset button. It helps people come and say, okay, 2024 was a terrible year for me. 2025 is going to be a great year for me. And that's what they're buying, right? And I mean, to be honest with you, I think at $2.42 per XRP is a decent price. It's not really bad at all. I mean, some people are buying it at $1, less than $1, $2.50. Some people will buy it at $3. Raise your hand right now if you want to pay $3 for an XRP. For one XRP, you want to pay $3 for one XRP? Well, I think the answer to that is probably not, right? If you have the chance right now, if you're watching, it's your money. Do as you please. I decided to go in much less than $2, much less than $1. So I think you can already tell, right? Let's go ahead and analyze. Right now, we're still in a symmetrical wedge, but today I was looking that there's bullish momentum right now in the markets. It's really, really nice what's going on. We bought the bottom. We did buy the bottom. We had to buy the bottom, brother. Brock, what's up, buddy? Welcome. I will pay till it's $5. Robert, what's up, bro? Yeah, I mean, there's gonna be a lot of people watching and seeing. You know what? People will pay $3+ for XRP, and that's okay. You know, I have some charts that I want to show you right now. I have some pictures too and images that I see on X. But as soon as you're coming in, everybody, smash the like button, guys. You know, consider subscribing to the channel and turn on those notification bells. Welcome, Cuban. Happy to see you. Welcome, welcome. The price of XRP is doing a number right now, and I think everybody wants to see it, right? Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, man. I mean, are we going to see 2.47 today? What do you guys think? Are we really going to see it? Do you want to buy or sell XRP? It's your money, guys. It's your money, Cuban. What I'm doing right now, I just bought more crypto. I bought more HBAR, Cardano, and Ondo. That's what I did today. So I'm always looking for the opportunities to buy cheap crypto, cheap crypto in the blood on the streets. That's the name of the game, bro. What's up, Jorge? Just got 1,500 XRP at 244. Is it right or too late? It depends when you're trying to sell it, you know. Are you going to sell today? If you're going to sell today, probably not the best choice. If you're going to sell in about 1 year from now or after the bull market, then that completely changes the whole game, you know. It's about your exit strategy, guys. When are you planning to leave this position? Or if you're planning to leave this position, right? I mean, it's just what it is. But great questions, guys. There's definitely a lot of new people, and go ahead. Long term, perfect, right? Guys, it's still AM here in the US, here in Texas. We're seeing the prices right now doing really nice. What we are gonna see right now is these are the number one in the last 24 hours. Fartcoin, DAX, Bread, Virtual, Tau. Look at this one. XRP is not even the number one right now. In the last 7 days, we're seeing Stellar with a 20%. Right now, we're seeing XRP. We have about 10%. We have a $138 billion in market cap with a 10 billion in volume right here. That's really nice. Let me show you right now the top cryptos. Right now, XRP completely, defeating Tether, which is really nice. Defeating Tether absolutely in the market cap, and the volume, we are looking at 10 billion, 100 billion. So that Ethereum is the next one. I have this one too, guys. Stock Money Lizard. It's a great account here on X. I really like it, and I always kind of find these charts, and I want to share with all of you guys. Take a look at what this one says. All cycles align perfectly, and it doesn't matter if it's 2013, where it's considered funny internet money, or 2025, where big institutions are loading up. 2025 will be big. Our year-end target is 250 to 300,000 for Bitcoin, guys. Check this out. This is huge. This is Bitcoin, digital assets, and the long term of crypto. Man, we are barely starting with the great news when it comes to pumping. Just what it is. So cheers, everybody. We're once again back here bringing you a live stream, bringing you some content, bringing you some news, bringing you some ideas as far as why we're buying the dip, right? Now, as I'm thinking about a poll, because you know that I like polls for sure. Welcome. Now, let me go ahead and bring this one in. So today is Thursday. I'm going to ask something which, kind of crazy, but it is what it is. XRP, $3. $3 XRP by Sunday. What do you guys think? Yes or no? Yes or no? You know it, don't you know? Pump it up. What's up, fam? Got some great people right here. I was looking at everything, like meme coins are doing well today. The portfolios are looking really nice. I'm really excited, to see that. My Robinhood account right now, those alerts, the crypto.com right now, 97,000 for one BTC right now, which is really nice. Take a look at this one. Take a look at this one. Let's go to the 4 hours right now. The lowest price for Bitcoin was $91,000. That was December 30th. And it should not be surprising to see the price of Bitcoin just go up, right? Approaching now once again the $100,000. Should not be surprising. Could we always have a retracement? Could we always have some sell-offs? Of course, guys. We can always have some sell-offs. As you can see here, here, here. But we always are going to have the comebacks and the breakouts and the price appreciation, those pumps that we want, right? I have some meme coins that I'm watching that are doing the biggest numbers right now in my watch list. Even Solana is doing well. We're looking at about 13% right now, Solana. Pepe is also doing a number with us. Shiba Inu, thankfully, is also doing pretty nice. Shiba Inu, well done. Algorand, Algorand putting about about 5%, which is nice. Caspa also doing some green. Dogecoin also doing some green. And XRP also approaching this top of the symmetrical wedge. All right. So what that means is that we still have about, let me take a look at this one. We still have about 17 days to go for that inauguration, the sworn in for Donald J. Trump. And that means, guys, that we are going to probably experience this pump that we see right after 2025. We come in with a brand new year. I would not be surprised if at some point here, the price of XRP starts coming back down anywhere in the 210, 205, right here, it is my prediction. which is more, corrections, right? It just means that we are following this pattern, right? This is obviously just speculation. It's good price prediction, but this is it. This is it, right? If XRP keeps going up, this is like the nice surprise that if you bought the dip, now you're seeing some really great levels, because it means that people are willing to pay and sellers are not killing all those buyers. That's what it means. What's up, everybody? Welcome to the 900 people coming at us and watching and enjoying with us the pumps, the charts, the knowledge, the comments, and that's it. Not financial advice. Always entertainment purposes only. Drop a like, guys. Subscribe to the channel. The more you do, the more people keep coming, because that tells you too that we're having a good time here, and we just, always trying to bring you what's really happening, and pretty positive that we're not wasting our time. That's something that, look, I wouldn't be this excited with a meme coin per se that has no value, no utility, no roadmap. But this is not a meme coin, right? This is something that can change the world when it comes to payments and transactions. All right. What's up, GS? Welcome. So I'll go ahead and delete this one, and let's go ahead to the 15 minutes. Let's go ahead and see, because people definitely want to bring some prices together, right? And we have the volume. Can I add my RSI? Oh, yes. Perfect. Okay, guys. So right there, you have the RSI, the volume, the Bollinger Bands, and my price target. You got everything right here. I'm going to go ahead and bring this one, this too, like this. So you even have more view on this range. TJ in the house. What's up, buddy? Welcome. So for those who watched my video earlier today, raise your hand if you want to own about $10 million worth of XRP. I think a lot of people will be like, me, Oscar, me, right? That is what the legend John E. Deaton, the one who fought against Elizabeth Warren, losing, but still defeating the odds. That's how much probably he owns, from $1 to $5 million at 58 cents per XRP. $1 to $5 million at 58 cents per XRP. I had to repeat it twice, right? Insanity. The amount of money in XRP that he owns. And obviously, he owns way more in Bitcoin. So these people, crypto lawyers, right? Senators, Congress people, they own a bunch of money in crypto. You just don't know it. Timothy, thank you very much, buddy. Welcome. Team in the house. Shout out to you guys. Welcome. You're buying Pepe. You must be called Paco. Yes, I'm also buying Pepe. Because Pepe is my cash cow. I have some cash cows, okay? And for those who don't know what that is or what that means, is something that makes you money, and that's it. You might sell it, you might hold it, you might do whatever you want, but XRP, I wouldn't consider a cash cow, because I do want to hold it long term to a point that I'm like, let's go. But I have some positions where I'm like, that's just for me to trade it. Like, I made some good money, sell it, use that money, reinvest. If I see Pepe down, I buy it. Like, it's just my cash cow strategy. That's it. It's really good. What's up, everybody? I'll be happy with 5K of XRP. Hey, let's go. That's nice. As much as you can. It's no one should be forced to buy more than you cannot. XLM, so people are saying XLM doing this one at 44 cents. Happy to see my XLM also is positive today, the one that I hold. Sierra Kronos at 15 cents after a nice pump, which is nice. Shout out to the Crow fam. Ondo at 1.46. Now, you see that? Ondo is down, so I decided to come in. That's what I did earlier today. H-bar is still keeping that solid I will say consolidation, right, in the 29s under 30. Although yesterday we had a 30, almost 31. I mean, when I see this and I see a nice sell-off, price correction, I always like to go in and just get my feet wet a little bit. There it is. Nicola in the house. What's up, buddy? Welcome. Oh, yeah, I mean, we're going to have a really nice time in 2025, and I think a lot of people are already seeing it. We got 1,100 people with us. What's up, guys? Welcome. Let's go ahead and bring some levels here with fiat leak, as you know. Boom. Because fiat leak is dope. I'll go ahead and do this. Do this. Perfect. While we let this one load, it's coming in right now. Fiat leak is loading. It takes a while because there's a lot of transactions coming in. So there it is. There you go. Perfect. Fiat leak allows you to witness on a visual aid with a visual side, the amount of transactions and people are executing, in this case for XRP, and you have all kinds of it. And Bitcoin is the one that takes the cake. Bitcoin is like so fast. Crazy, Now look at this one. My RSI on the 1 hour, it's we're already, in the overbought. So if this clearly is telling me that if we actually get to 248 right now, because we're very close, like I would agree that buyers will continue pumping the price of XRP right now. Makes sense. Makes sense. So stay tuned with us. We also have some people. This is something I posted yesterday. Glad I bought the XRP dip again and again and again. When a lot of people were throwing shade, and we will always find a hater. Let me find a hater. Let's see. I mean, it is what it is, fam. Actually, surprisingly, there's a lot of great comments, loving comments. That's nice. When we start pumping, thankfully, there's great people that come in and say, I've been doing it too, Oscar, and it's been great. So I like that. Ponky is one of my meme coins in the Solana chain that it's doing well for me right now, although it's very much down, but same as Bread. I don't have any bonk. I'm gonna remove bonk from this one. Pepe, I do Gala. I don't really do much Gala, so I'm gonna remove it. What else should I remove? Toncoin, Luna, goodbye, and that's it. I always keep, my list of different cryptos, the ones that I really am watching, that I'm really buying or holding, that's what I like to do. John 360 in the house, buddy. Welcome. Bro, we've been here unstoppable right now. We've been just doing this almost every day. When things are green, it makes a lot of sense, When things are green and people are happy and people are watching, it's like, well, might as well let's do it. Might as well let's do it. I think yesterday at around 6 p.m. we got a 2.45, 2.34, 2.45. Nice to see a nice level right here on this 2.40s. All the eventually we'll have more buyers coming in on this one. That's for sure. New to your channel, love the content, and right XRP all the way up. Thank you, Merck. Good morning. Welcome. Anthony Williams in the house. What's up, buddy? I never had this much money in my life. I wish I started investor years ago. This was definitely not taught in public schools. Planets. I completely agree, man. Imagine, It took me a while personally to get to know investing. It took me a while. I basically finished my college, my master's. Nobody was telling me about Bitcoin, guys. Sad but true, right? But finally, we get to the third step in life, and now we're here. We know a bunch, and we are like, okay, let's make it happen. So no more excuses, guys. No more excuses not to get your financial freedom locked in. Okay? Get locked in. Oscar Ramos is not saying today that that everybody's gonna make it. Okay? I'm not saying that everybody's gonna, because realistically speaking, the only person I can control is me. But what I'm doing right here is I'm sharing my experience, I'm sharing my knowledge. So the more people listen and the more people continue doing your due diligence, the more people continue doing your homework. Because there's a lot of plays. Giovanni is not here, but Giovanni got into virtual. I didn't get into virtual, and he is making a killing. And I'm like, let's go. Like, I was completely busy, and I wasn't even paying attention to that one. But there's some people that are doing really well, and that's the idea, right? Also, take a look at the first link down below and join me on BTCC for your trading and up to 10,000 welcome bonus, fam. This is trading, and trading helps if you are like, if you don't want to wait for the 100% pump, just with a 10-20% pump at a decent 50x or so, you can make a lot of money. And that's done. You can join me now. So, and I've tried it, and it's really nice. Kenneth Gray, what's up, buddy? Shiba Inu. There's some good news on Shiba Inu. Treat, I believe it's now. There's some news right there. I'll go ahead and take a look at it later today for sure. What do we have here? Japan is using XRP Ripple for 80% of all payments. I saw something like that on X. I still have to confirm it. Giovanni, you're there. You were listening, brother. You were listening. Let's go, man. That's nice. That is nice, bro. So yeah, I mean, that's what I'm telling you guys. Very nice to have 1,200 people here. And, you know, drop a like, keep commenting, guys, and more people will be coming in here. New to XRP, new to the channel. Subscribe, of course, and let us know once the live is done. But we have it all locked in. We have it all ready. And $2 XRP, it's not the end. It's not the end. I know that as soon as we finally break that $3, things are gonna go nuts. We are gonna be on Fox Business. We're gonna be on CNN. We're gonna be on Fox News. We're gonna be everywhere. Because at $3 XRP, you're talking about a $160, $170 billion in market cap, guys. And by looking at how Ethereum is moving, I don't think Ethereum is going to really move much by the time that we get to $3 XRP. I could be wrong, but Ethereum is not really doing much right now. I mean, I wanted to do a lot because I hold Shiba Inu tokens, CRC20 tokens, you know. But, man, competition is key, right? It happens. All-time high yesterday, virtual. Classic. Hey, enjoy, man. Make that good money. Make that good money for sure. What is your expectation for Luna Classic? LUNC has potential. It's just that it requires community to bring it back to life, and TFL filed for bankruptcy, Chapter 11. I don't know the latest on LUNC, but I'm still holding a little bit, not much. Years ago, there was more momentum, but I mean, things change in crypto. Things change very fast in crypto. Ethereum outdated. I know, right? Don't you know, pump it up. You got to pump it up. Don't you know, pump it up. You know, guys, just a reminder that about 5, 6, 7 days ago, it was half of us here, and the prices were very boring. Okay, do not forget when the prices are boring, because that's when we're supposed to go in much harder, when it's boring. Right now, it's like, okay, I mean, something can happen, and if for sure we get to 247, which there's a very high chance, there's a lot more people who are gonna be more looking, right? So FYI. Aave is borrowing and lending, and borrowing and lending, I'm not really into right now. Not much. Thank you so much. We got more water. Now you can tell we're not drinking the blood on the streets on this one, guys, but soon, right? Oh man, nice. Would you sell gold to buy XRP? I don't have gold, so I guess I wouldn't. But some people do hold gold. I have silver. Let me show you. In Mexico, back in the day when I was young, my gramps, he gifted me this one. Some people in Mexico here will know what company that's Electra, and this is a silver coin, Mexican, whatever Troy silver coin, right? It says onza pura, onza plata pura, and I have another one right here. So this is silver, real silver, right, from Mexico. I don't really want to sell this to buy more because this is just like more of a token to remind me of what's ahead, right? Why not? I just keep him here. It's exciting the times, guys. Welcome, welcome. But yeah, having gold, that wouldn't be a bad idea for sure. Having gold, oof. I mean, gold's still expensive. Right now, we're seeing some 30%, Right now, at our close to 12%, oh, no, close to 12 p.m., we're starting to see some red. That's just totally fine. Just FYI. Ethereum is going to fly. Well, I'm ready for Ethereum to fly, to be honest with you. To be honest with you, I'm so ready. When ETH got clarity speech from the SEC during 2017, it ran all the way, yes, in 12 months. Imagine the lawsuit against Ripple and dropped and the FOMO resulting. Okay. Just a few more days ahead. Just a few more days ahead for that lawsuit to be dropped, in my opinion. Once Gary Gensler leaves, then what else? What else is there? What commissioner is going to just take that and run with it? Nobody. I guess nobody, right? Why would they do so? I don't think so. Love the shiny silver. Great look. Right. I know, right? I mean, why not? It looks really nice. Oh, by the way, I also have this one. Imagine, could you imagine, guys, if we could hold one Bitcoin like this and say, oh, yeah, I have a Bitcoin here, $100,000. Could you imagine? But thankfully, that's not the case, right? It's all here. It's like, where do you want to keep all your millions of dollars? Physically or on the blockchain? I mean, that's one of the best inventions of all time, and it's all math, right? It's all in the blockchain, and obviously, I mean, you could hold it with your ledger, right? You could just put everything right here and keep it safe, but it's all, you could put it all in a nice wallet, and there you go. Mm-hmm. XRP ETF lost to drop in momentum. XRP like a volcano. True, man. That's nice. Blockchain safer. Yeah, I think so. Blockchain is the one to go for me, honestly. Not really looking into holding any valuables at this time. I just want everything online, to be honest with you. What do we have right here? Solana surpasses 100 billion market cap, and new. What is this? The IRS delays crypto tax reporting to 2026, giving brokers more time to adapt and avoid forced FIFO sales that could maximize capital gains. Okay. Well, I guess not really know how to interpret right now this one, but we still pay a lot of money in taxes if you make some decent money with crypto, right? I'm happy to see that no decision is being made right now, because I'm waiting for Trump to come in and change things at the IRS, especially for crypto. So good stuff. No worries. Once he comes in, we're all expecting, things to move, especially with crypto taxes, guys. So get ready for that for sure. I don't like carrying valuables these days. True. Hey, Oscar, I made enough profit in December and January trading on my phone. Nice. For a trading laptop. Ooh, well, I have a computer, I have a built-in computer, so you might want to look at that. That's bullish news. Let's go. What are your thoughts on quantum attacks? I'm not your guy when it comes to IT stuff, my friend. But thank you for asking. Sadly. All thing I say is that this world is getting crazier. And you better find some ways, to keep your wealth protected, right? The banks, decent place, but I think the blockchain is teaching us that it could be much better. True. All right, everybody. Going back to the price of XRP right now. Welcome to the 1,300 people joining us today in this live stream. How we all doing? Barely January the 2nd, 2024. Sorry if I keep saying 2024 because it's still right here. Like 365 days of saying 2024. It's still going to take a toll on me. But earlier today, we were seeing a nice green candle. Today, right now, we're of course seeing some red. Like every time we come live, it's for me very hard to see a pump. And I know, later today, we might see that great, nice green candle that I was waiting right now. I know, classic me, always happens. I know, but we're ready, man. We're ready. We need a countdown for the 20th. True. I'll be watching, man. Hey, what's up? New subscribers coming in. We need a countdown for all of that. That's something true, my man. Let me change this here. Look at the fear and greed index right now, guys. We're looking at a 51 extreme greed, 51 extreme greed, which is not bad. I mean, it's not that we are extremely pumping, but I like that, things are moving ahead in the right direction as far as the price of Bitcoin, which is important right now. I'm going to go ahead and take a look at Watcher. Delays tax reporting requirements until 2026. Decent. This is something new that I also saw earlier today. Morgan Stanley E-Trade considers offering crypto trading. So Morgan Stanley, one of the biggest banks, of course. That's nice. Offering crypto trading. There's a lot that want to do crypto trading nowadays, guys. Oh, guys, I had my Robinhood account, but I just forgot about it, and I couldn't even be in that giveaway. $2.5 million yesterday, or like New Year's Eve. Crazy stuff. I missed it. Just to give you an idea of the opportunities that sometimes you don't get, So based on what I'm seeing right now, the reaction from some people that I follow in crypto, it seems that that's bullish news as I see somebody say it. Good news for crypto bros. One thing I know, guys, when it comes to taxes, right, and that's the only thing I'm going to say because I'm not an expert, is that there's obviously going to be a big demand for softer tax brackets, and tax percentages and tax requirements, because there's a lot of people who are coming to crypto expecting to make big money, but if the IRS is not really working with us, because we know we need to report that, right? But if they're not really acting friendly for those who want to do business here in the United States and want to sell here in the United States, then they might want to consider going to places like Dubai where there's no tax on that, right? Which is crazy. So I know some friends who live in Dubai, and well, just one person, and the reason that it's so awesome, to move there because you keep most of your wealth, and that for crypto, it's everything, guys, everything. You got to pump it up. What's up, buddy? Welcome. Nice. Oscar, you think there's a possibility that we exit the classic crypto cycle, all coins dumping? Seeing all this news regarding HBAR makes me wonder if I should sell. Oh, okay. That's a decent question. I like that. So you mean like right now taking a profit and selling because of all the big news that we're seeing? Gotcha. Well, for that, I will tell you that we need to look at the cycle more than the news. The cycle is telling us right now it's the beginning of the entrance for the major bull market. We're looking at the 15 minutes, but if I go to the daily, this looks really nice. Look at this. This is a daily for XRP and the daily for BTC, right? That looks bullish. That looks like we have to wait a little bit longer to massively see some big changes in the market right now. So some tokens that I'm watching carefully, right? This green candle represents the first day of 2025. So we haven't really had a red candle in 2025 yet. So you could do whatever you want with your cash, is your money. But I've been waiting years to finally see some great gains, and I'm not living at this low level for my crypto. I'm just not living. I cannot live at this level for my crypto, guys. That's what it is, guys. Welcome. And while we do that, people continue buying the dip. That's what it is. I like channel on YouTube. He's in Dubai. Yeah, I think I met Dusty actually. I met him in Singapore because I went to this private dinner and I met some different people right there. And so I just don't know those guys, and they introduced themselves to me, and I introduced myself to them, and the one said Dusty and Crypto Satoshi Stacker, if I'm not mistaken. So I met Satoshi Stacker and Dusty. I didn't know them, so I wasn't able to recognize them. But then when I leave and I talk to other people, they're like, "Hey, that was Satoshi Stacker." And that was Dusty, and I'm like, "Really?" And they talk about XRP, they talk about Bitcoin. So I'm like, "Let's go." So just normal human beings, right, that are talking about a lot of crypto, and that's really nice. Emily in the house, what's up? Welcome. Guys, you know the Oscar Ramos live, we like to pump it up, but sometimes we get those red candles, or there's nothing we can do. There's nothing we can do when we get those red candles. Right now, let's go to the 15 minutes right now. Ooh, take a look at that one. At around 11 a.m. 2:43, and then taking some dips. Perfect. There's the opportunity, guys. Yeah, I'm not going to sell now. It's probably going to go a lot higher. The thing is, crypto has always been speculative. It is 100% speculative, right? Bring the utility this can be, I believe. Yeah, if you understand this, right? Let me go ahead and bring you, not Johnny Deaton, but Brad, right? Excited for the year ahead. He's excited for the year ahead, and here's the CEO of Ripple. I think he knows what's ahead. We already have RLUSD launched, and there's going to be more listings coming in. Momentum and increased focus in real-world assets continues to build. Like, why am I trying to speed up the time and just trying to be impatient right now? Just let the times just do what they like to do, and that's it. That's the way I see it. Not rushing things. Let me take a look at Chris Marsalek for my Crypto.com fam. It's another great person to follow if you haven't already. And Crypto.com, Chris Marsalek is one person that I think, has gone through things as a crypto exchange CEO. This was posted on the 28th. He says the path to victory is clear. Some see it now, others will see it later, and that's okay. Meaning, crypto is here to stay, guys. Crypto is here to stay, and things are about to get much excited. On December the 20th, when things were going a little iffy for crypto, did you buy the dip? So, exchange leaders like him, it's always good to have, and I think always good to keep an eye on, right? Always good to keep an eye on, in my opinion. And there's some, I don't know if you saw this one, guys. Let me go ahead and find a video so you watch it. It's the Michael Saylor video. Let me see if I get it. It's crazy, bro. What's ahead? Crazy what's ahead. I have it. Bitcoin Saylor. Not this one. Or was it? I believe I liked it, so it should be here in my likes. Here. It was on Cointelegraph. So guys, just in, Michael Saylor predicts the massive capital migration into Bitcoin over the coming decade, with investors selling resources, currencies, and real estate to invest in Bitcoin. Now, in my humble opinion, I like to listen to the billionaires when it comes to making money. There's a reason why they got to that position. And he is predicting a roughly $13 million per one Bitcoin, right? So I will gotta say that, no spam, my friend. Have a good one. Check this out. It's just 1 minute, how he explains why we're going to get to that level about the, what is it? 26% growth every single year for Bitcoin. Doesn't get any better than that. It's not Oscar Ramos saying it, guys. It's Michael Saylor saying it.
So in your presentation, you have this slide twice. The first one, right now, Bitcoin is $2 trillion. You're saying in 21 years, $280 trillion. How do we get there?
What I'm saying is the wealth in the entire world is growing because of innovation, because of technology, but also because of inflation. And people are thinking to sell their Central African real estate to buy Bitcoin, or sell their Siberian natural gas to buy Bitcoin, or sell their Argentine currency to buy Bitcoin. So as people migrate their capital into this global monetary asset, that asset class is going to grow faster than equity, faster than gold, faster than real estate.
But also, did I read somewhere that you're saying each Bitcoin would be worth the equivalent of $13 million?
Yeah, well, when you crank in the growth rate, which for me, the base case is 29% a year on average for 21 years, that gets you from where we are today to 13 million a coin in the year 2045.
So in your presentation, you
39 a coin in 2045, $13 million plus in 2045. So 20 years from now. If you're watching this video, guys, and you're 20, first, I'm so jealous of you and I wish you a great life. Second, you'll be 40, God willing, and you could see a $13 million price per Bitcoin, right? According to some people, according to some mega whales, which is crazy, guys. Imagine if we don't get to 13 million. As long as we get to a million or so, I mean, that's still insanity, guys. When I look at those price predictions, guys, it's just like, man, you only wonder if Bitcoin will eventually get that much growth and that much love and that much adoption in a few decades or so. What will be an altcoin, the altcoin that can stand to Bitcoin? Not to pass it. I mean, I'm not saying that an altcoin will pass Bitcoin, but what I'm saying is an altcoin that can meet Bitcoin or get close to Bitcoin. That's what I'm saying. Ethereum, it's been trying to do that for years now, but it doesn't seem that it's going to be one. To me, we could see another one like XRP. XRP, the way I see things, guys, oh man, it's one that I'm so bullish on. I'm bullish on Kronos, I'm bullish on Shiba Inu, I'm bullish on Jasmine, I'm bullish on many tokens that I've talked here on the channel for a long time. You know it, guys. I haven't been right on many because crypto is speculation. I could say Kronos is going to be an amazing token because it's incredible all they do. but buyers and sellers don't agree with me and they sell it, and then the price never goes up. But one that it does make sense, and I think there's a chance for me to first and foremost pass Ethereum, is XRP. You guys agree? Drop a like right now, subscribe to the channel, and turn on those notification bells. Everybody, welcome, welcome, welcome. The good comments, the good, and I've been removing all those spammers, and yeah, I've seen them, you know, so no worries. Trying to keep the chat healthy and beefy. But yeah, guys, it's always for me interesting and you know, delicious to find these videos and to imagine what could be. Bitcoin blueprint. There's another one. There's another one. So halving, right? Bull market, post-halving bull market, bear market. This is the part B, halving, and then this is gonna be the post-halving, and this is where we stack up and we go nuts. Just telling you. This is something that I already showed you guys. 1.5 trillion Morgan Stanley to offer Bitcoin and crypto trading wild times, because they want to make money. They want to make a lot of money. And Bitcoin is going to be our gateway crypto to the masses. Once people realize, you know what? I like Bitcoin, but can I make real money? Like, can I make some real good 10x, 5x money? And then they're going to come to YouTube, X, and their information wherever they find it, and they'll be like, there's this token called XRP. That might be an opportunity for me. And there you go. New money coming in, new investors. All right, guys. Let me take a look at the comments. I've been talking for a while. I know. It's just I want to give you the knowledge. I want to give you the thoughts. I want to give you that, guys, always. I appreciate you guys as always. And no, drop a like. You know what to do. If you want to continue seeing us pushing this channel forward, we love you guys. And let's go. It's a new year. It's a new year. Big things ahead. All right. Now. January 13th through, what is it? Netherlands in the house. What's up, Netherlands? Nice to see you, buddy. Welcome. AD, happy to have you, buddy. Welcome. Miami in the house. Welcome, buddy. Happy to see you. Don't ever apologize for speaking. That's your platform. It's about giving us advice to think about, keeping us positive. Joshua, yeah, you're mature. You're an actual human being that, you know, thinks, you know, but it's just, you will be surprised. I have to clarify many things because not everybody has the level that we want them to have, but we're growing together. We're trying to grow at the same pace, and it's just that, you know, we're trying to make it here, right? But it's always good, you know, to see a new investor coming in. Will Ripple cause XRP to dump once it's puts its in billions XRP into the market this week? No. If it dumps, but it's all gonna be fine. If you dream big, you have to go big and not downgrading. It's true. Leo in the house, what's up, buddy? Welcome. How you guys seeing the market? I mean, people are still buying. People are still buying. I love crypto, and I'm blessed to have it. I'm blessed to be in it. Learn from Oscar. Thank you, buddy. Thank you. What do you do, brother? Hope you see you at $1 Crow Party. I know. I can agree to that very well. That $1 Crow Party, I've been planning it for 1 year plus, and it hasn't happened yet because the price of Crow is not $1. Amma in the house. Welcome, Chicago. Happy to see you guys. Oscar, you live every day? Not really, but when things are doing well, and when I know that people will be live, and when I know, you know, there's something to talk about, I'm here. If not, I'm relaxing, loading, getting energy, you know, keeping you updated with the latest. I'll be making some updates later today, so turn on for that. But we always keep you in the know here too on Oscar is live every 8 hours. When things are happening, yes, why not? That's my Twitter page, guys. If you want to join me, for sure, join me also on BTCC. Get the first link down below or top of the chat for your 10% business deposits. And if you want to know, let me also give you some alpha here. If you become a sub on X, we got 7 subs, right? Growing little by little, no rush. But I tell you what I'm buying. So 1 hour ago, we bought, that's what I bought. 12 hours ago, that's what I bought. Yesterday, that's what I bought. On the 28th, that's what I bought. And yeah, so I thank you whoever joins, right? I just kind of keep it personal. Because yeah, that's if you guys support me at that way, well then I give it back for sure. If you expect XRP to go up, then it's good to buy now. Nice. What's up, Crypto God? Welcome. I am pretty positive, guys, that later today we're gonna have another green candle. It just happens that when we come live, they know. It's like the meme on the phone, right? It's like Oscar's live, dump it. I know it. We used to have the other way around, but it's okay. It's okay. No worries. We are seeing more buying opportunities, what it is. Could you imagine XRP dropping to $1? Okay, that's a great question. Why don't we go ahead and ask our community about that? We got over 1,000 people here watching with us. But first, $3 XRP by Sunday. 72% people say yes. 27% people say no. What do I say? It's possible. So it could be a yes. I mean, but in 4 days, things can happen. It's only guys, let me see. It's about 25%. It's not much. 25% for XRP, that's a cakewalk. But I'm not sure if sellers will allow that, right? Sellers might want to sell much earlier than that, right? But could we do it? Yes, we could. Thank you very much, Sakone. Heson. Mad love, Oscar. Appreciate it, man. Thank you so much. Oscar didn't disappear during the bad days. That's what I respect the most. Jose in the house. That's what I repeat a lot of the times, We got some great amount of people here, but hey, when you were in here, and I was loading up. So the fact that XRP goes up or down, I don't really care. The fact that HBAR goes up or down, I don't really care much too. Or Kronos, I don't really care much too. Because we did our work. We put in the work years ago, months ago, much before the election. And I'm like, okay, well, let's enjoy the vibes because we going much higher. We are truly going much higher. Now, to answer the question, are we going to go drop to $1? Let me put it this way. We passed 60 minutes. We passed FOMC. We passed the end of the year. And we did not even break a sweat. What other news do I think is going to bring crypto down? There's only one, well, two, but I don't really want to. There's only two. Nuclear war and something happens to Trump. That's it. That's it. Those two, yes. Expect some decent crashes. But the possibility of those two is super low. Therefore, guys, I'm just buying the dip. Super happy to have you guys. Welcome, welcome, welcome. To answer your question, guys, under $1 XRP it's unlikely. It's really unlikely because we already went through things. We already went through a lot. It's like, I mean, there's more reasons why to go up or to stay in the same level. It's not about hitting 3, but maintaining it 100% midnight. 100%. Remember that flash crash in early December? We recovered ASAP. I know. Whale games, right? It's super good. I know, man. I'm new to crypto. XRP, my first coin. Do you think I need to buy other coins also? Fusion. Well, I'm very well diversified. I mean, if I had all my money in XRP, I'll be sweating a little bit just because it will move so violently, right? But when you're spread out, you know, you're chill, you're relaxed, okay, things are gonna be fine, right? Just to let you know. All right, guys. There's the 55 minutes. That's decent. That's enough. I always want to come here and chill with you and have some nice conversations. There's going to be more people coming in here on YouTube. Go ahead and support. Go ahead and enjoy it. We're trying to keep everybody entertained and updated. And that's it, right? Before we were $3, we are going to be $3, whether you like it or not. Where is it? Let me try to do this. Can I? No. Well, I'll do this then. There you go. We are gonna be $3 XRP. When? That's the question, right? But $3 is coming. My goal is to get enough before the number hits, because then I'll be battling with myself, asking me if I need to buy XRP at 3. But it will feel so good to say, I did my work. I got in a lot at 2, at 1, so I can relax more at 3. And then from 3, well, to actually get to 4, when we get to 3, we'll discuss once we're there. But for now, it's our time to load up. Thank you, everybody, for coming into the space. Appreciate you kind support as always. You are amazing. Thank you, buddy. Welcome. If Gensler was staying in it, I would expect everything. Oh, yeah, of course, 100%, bro. If Gensler would, Trump would fire Gensler immediately, right? But that's why Gensler is leaving. But the fact that he's not going to be there, stopping the growth of crypto, that's one of the reasons that crypto can finally come back up. So yeah, I do agree. Sing it, don't you know? Pump it up. You got to pump it up 100%, fam. There you guys have it, everybody. I said it yesterday, and I'll keep saying it again. Glad we bought the XRP dip no matter what. Let's go ahead and take a look at what's here on X, on the latest news, because you never know. There's always some crazy news. Crazy news. That's actually true. What seems to be happening, what is really happening. That Bitcoin can keep their value, right? Even though it's like growing, but the dollar is losing and it's coming down. Catch you next time, guys. Thank you to all this, to the donors, to the new subscribers, to the new viewers. Please stay safe. We'll keep you in the know. I'll see you next time. Peace. Let's go. Catch you in the next one, guys. Thank you.